Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to create game passes and please donate on mobile. Now it's a very easy process. So for that, firstly go to a browser and search for Roadblocks. Then open the first link. Now just simply click on continue in app. Now it should redirect you to your Roadblocks application. Now give it a few seconds. Now after that, all you have to do is just simply click on the three dots at the bottom right corner and scroll down and click on create right over here. Now it will load your Creator Studio. Now over here again, just simply click on the three lines at the top left corner and click on dashboard. Now inside dashboard, you will find the experience page, and in experience page, you will find a map that is already been created on your account. Now what you have to do is click on the map that is already created. Now after you have done that, click on the three lines at the top left corner, and over there you will find a panel for associated items. Click on that option. Now in this panel, just simply choose passes. Now over here, all you have to do is click on create a pass. Now over here you can upload any type of image, but it should be related to you. It can be a logo, a personal banner, a branding, anything. So just simply upload any image that you want. So I've uploaded a random image. Now rename that image. Let's call it Gamepass. Now add a description. Just simply write thanks. Now over here, just simply click on create pass. Now it's going to take some time, so be patient. Now after it is ready, you will find that it is written off sale at the bottom. Now that is because it is currently inactive. So to activate this pass, what you have to do is choose the pass. Now click on the three lines at the top right corner, and over here click on sales. Now over here, just simply enable the option for item for sale. Now add a price. So let's say 10 roadblocks. Now make sure that roadblocks will be taking 30%. So you will only get 7 roadblocks as you can see right over here. So in the end, click on save changes. Now after that, you will see your pass has been made. Now if you go back to your basic settings, your pass is now active. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like, subscribe to our channel, and take care.